Hey guys, it's Scott here, and today I'm excited to introduce you to the Taku Impact Driver. Now, this was sent to me by the manufacturer for an honest review, and I've been using it for a little bit and testing it out on different things. And it does come with a nice handy storage case that you can put some lag bolts or screws or things like that you might want to use out in the field. And it does come with this carrying case. It's not the most sturdy carry case in the world, but it certainly will do. It keeps everything together, and it comes with a variety of sockets. So you get these 5 sockets here, as well as a 1/2-inch extension. So this is all 1/2-inch drive impact. Here's your impact gun, and this does have forward and reverse with a light on it. And it has auto stop mode on it too as you're reversing it, which is super cool. You do get the charger along with 2 21-volt 4 amp hour batteries. And so these are going to last you quite a long time. They are rechargeable, and I did mention it has a light on it, which is really nice. It's pretty quiet, and it's very torquey. It's got 960 foot-pounds of torque. So that should break loose most of your nuts and bolts that you're going to need to. I'm happy to have this because I always had to drag out my air compressor when I wanted to change a wheel or just driving any kind of nuts and bolts, rusty nuts, taking rusty nuts off. So this is super handy to have around the house. And right now, today, I have a project with taking off the wheel and putting in a new wheel bearing. So this is super handy. You can put it in reverse. There is a mode button here, and so it has an auto stop. You can see there where it auto stopped when it was done taking it off, or you can have it different speeds. So let's go ahead and do the auto stop mode, and you can see it loosened it all the way up, auto stopped. And that is a super handy feature because a lot of times your lug nuts will simply go flying all over the place when you're using these impact guns. And so that's really a nice feature. So I'm going to go ahead and show you some more uses for it as I get into the job here and as well as around the house. So stay tuned. So normally for these big type of axle bolts, I would need to use a breaker bar and maybe even a pipe, but we're going to go ahead and try it out with my impact wrench that I received. Oh, and you can see how quick and easy that just came off. This little gun's got lots of torque. It's going to break loose a lot of nuts and bolts for you. You also have variable speed. Similar to a drill, and you can see where it's lit up down here that you can adjust your mode, pressing the mode button. You can do low, medium, and high. So on high, you can see you get a little bit more torque. Compared to low. Perfect. Feels like a really heavy quality made tool.